sitting back from the start.
Well, something we spoke about pre-game is, yes, they are a counter-attacking side, but they're also not necessarily a side like some up the field. So they have managed the most shots from break attacks this season. AmaZulu, that's 25. Pirates, just by contrast, have had just 10 shots from break attacks, which is the 4th fewest in the league. To give you an idea of how they play as opposed to AmaZulu. The legs of Lebone down on the edge of the area. A little nudge from Hendrik Ekstein, who turned 35 last month, but not enough to warrant a penalty. Van Rooyen, intercepted by Liam Byrne. Promptly gives it away. Bongani Zungu. In a foot race here with Seema. That's the defender. Seema finds Van Rooyen, but two-man Smufokeng both got a goal and an assist against Magesi. His first time since April of 2024. And they won 4-0 over Royal AM, but they've had two separate players get a goal and an assist. Then it was Maswangani who scored and assisted twice, and Dlamini who got a goal and an assist. Now Seema. Jane having a great season, 10 clean sheets in the league so far. Only Brandon Peterson of Kaizer Chiefs has more, and Jane has actually equalled his clean sheet tally from the previous campaign. 10 up the other end, still Moreni. Low drive, blocked away by Sunny Mtetwa. Now Honeywell looking down the line, intercept from Seema. Moren, 16th season with Mamelodi Sundowns, as AmaZulu want to create
Of the opposition continuously.
To work very hard off the ball. Here is Bongani Zungu under immense pressure. Too many saves to make over the course of this campaign because the defense have been so solid. As he tests Hendrik Ekstein now tries to make something happen.
I was forced into a mistake there.
And the reason I bring up that game again is because since that loss, Pirates, who have the ball now through Batuma, Dion Otter trying to steal into space here, intercepted by Khadebe. Hanamuk stealing forward.
A little bit forward, Rana Slatter. Appearance in the first game, came on under sub, and they were so happy to see him in the colours of the black and white. Quality player is De Jong. I think he will be so effective.
Animal. To make something happen here, it's flung across field for Khadebe. Slogo. Makukolo. The bowling is fairly decent. Seema has to hack it clear. Makukolo. Well, we have seen corners awarded for time wasted by the goalkeeper, but kind of ensuring that Tendon Tanzeka doesn't even have to think about that. New rules implemented to try and curb the scourge of Seema has been solid at the back this evening. Do you think he did that on purpose?